Hello, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we introduce Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer oven is a mid-sized air fryer designed to make cooking all your favorites quick and effortless. Delight in the rich flavor of deep frying, the health benefits of air frying, and the same reliability and convenience you've come to expect from other instant brands products. This wonder fryer allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, reheat, proof, dehydrate and rotisserie cook your food, all with one touch using only a few drops of oil. The Instant Pot Vortex Pro Air Fryer creates crispy chicken wings, french fries, calamari, even a whole chicken, with the same robust taste and delectable crunch as those from a traditional fryer, but with healthier results. The user-friendly design cooks quickly and with less mess and waste, so you can enjoy restaurant-quality fried dishes at the push of a button. The Vortex Pro makes it easy and fun for anyone to prepare healthy, tasty meals, fast. Air fryers use hot air, rather than hot oil, to produce the same crispy, crunchy taste and texture that makes deep-fried food so delectable. The blast of hot air traps all that juicy moisture beneath the crispy coating, but air fryers are quicker, cleaner, healthier, and a whole lot easier than deep fryers. The oven's control panel is bright, easy to read, and even easier to use. For total control over cooking, customize the cooking time and temperature so your favorite meals can be made the way you like them with one simple touch, and use delay start to make sure dinner is ready whenever you are. It's very self-explanatory and easy to use. Included is their very helpful starter guide and cook a size food you, as it's quite large compared to other smaller air fryer only devices. But if you have the kitchen countertop space, you'll find that you'll be using it, which is nice. It's very clear to see and implement time and temp separately. Some air fryer use the same buttons and you have to toggle back and forth between time and temp.